A 90-year-old driver who killed a couple by reversing into them has been given a 2-year suspended sentence. Philip Bull made a genuine but catastrophic mistake when he backed into Claire Haslam, 44, and Deborah Clifton, 49, outside Whittington Hospital, a judge said. Manchester Crown Court heard Bull pressed the accelerator instead of the brake in his automatic car. He earlier admitted 2 counts of causing death by dangerous driving. Bull had been dropping his wife Audrey, 87, at the hospital in Manchester on 7 March when he hit Ems Haslam and Ems Clifton. The pair, from Carlton cum Hardy, were both taken to hospital where they later died. Bull, who served in the armed forces, was hugely remorseful, the court heard. "I cannot think of any way worse to come to the end of my life having now ended the lives of others," he told the author of a report. Richard Vardon, defending, had earlier argued the circumstances of the tragic case were exceptional. He said Bull had cared for his wife of 65 years, who suffered from a number of conditions, including Alzheimer's disease, for more than a decade. She could not be cared for at home without her husband, Mr. Vardon said. Judge Martin Walsh said he had chosen to suspend the jail term after careful and considered reflection. He said this would be difficult to accept by some, if not all, of the family and friends of the deceased, and in the light of their personal grief, such feelings may be understandable. "I want to make the obvious point that nothing that this court can do can put right the wrong, or restore the devastating loss that occurred. The sentence that this court imposes is not intended to and cannot ever reflect the value of the lives lost." He told Bull, "You made a genuine but catastrophic mistake. The consequences were unforeseen and completely unintended." The judge said an immediate sentence of imprisonment would not serve as a deterrent nor put right the harm that has been done. "The fact is that you will live for the rest of your life in the knowledge that your unintended actions on this occasion resulted in the deaths of 2 people. That is your burden to bear," he said. Some family members gasped in the public gallery as the judge announced the sentence was to be suspended, with several leaving the courtroom. After sentencing, one woman turned to Bull's relatives and said, "I hope your dad lives a long time to regret this. I hope he thinks about them every day." Ems Haslam and Ems Clifton had a child and were blissfully happy soulmates, their families said.